Walnuts, onions, peppers, garlic, bits of carrot, and I've made this walnut mince for dinner. So you get the onions, peppers and garlic, you of course sweat it down, you liquidize or blend the nuts with some mushrooms, season it up, and you've got your own homemade mince without the meat. Roast potatoes is the first element to our dinner. I wanted to cook these quickly, because the boys are hungry. Now remember I told you I made mincemeat out of walnut and mushroom? This is my concoction. Imagine, you know, putting vegan mayonnaise and lovely sauces in it if you do this. So here is our mince. I'm gonna put it on our burger. Whole like that. Now the child that's holding the camera, he likes tomatoes, don't you, Kai?
Yes, Mum.
So you don't mind it. And then we've got some slices of spring onion in it, baby.
Yeah.
Now you would have put mayonnaise and beautiful things on it, but that's about it for these children. Isn't it, baby? You don't want anything more, do you?
No, thank you.
Right, and then this is the burger. This is how it's looking, and dinner is served.
How much is it? How much is it?
About half an hour. They were starving when I came home, but that's it. Vegan mince. You could also make those mince into burgers straight, but I didn't. Okay, dinner tonight.
Can't